It's a new 2019 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Doing it right, doing it with ease. Heavy payloads are just what this truck was built for. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, turbo V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Truck Trend writes, it offers what could be the best pickup styling in the industry and a high-class quiet interior in a more capable package. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.